Joshua Tree Weekend Retreat, Desert Serenity and Starry Nights. Day 1, Nature Exploration and Sunset Magic. Morning. Breakfast at La Copine. Start your day with a hearty breakfast at La Copine, a local favorite known for its delicious and eclectic menu. Explore Joshua Tree National Park. Spend the morning exploring Joshua Tree National Park. Visit iconic spots like Skull Rock, Hidden Valley, and the Joshua Tree Visitor Center. Lunch. Picnic at Barker Dam. Pack a picnic and head to Barker Dam. Enjoy your meal surrounded by the serene desert landscape and perhaps spot some wildlife. Arch Rock Trail. Take a short hike to Arch Rock in the White Tank Campground area. It's an easy trail with a unique rock formation. Afternoon. Joshua Tree Music Festival. If your visit coincides with the Joshua Tree Music Festival, check dates, spend the afternoon enjoying live music and a vibrant atmosphere. Art galleries in Joshua Tree Village. Explore the art galleries and shops in Joshua Tree Village. The area is known for its artistic community. Dinner. Dinner at Pappy and Harriet's Pioneertown Palace. Head to Pioneertown and dine at Pappy and Harriet's, a legendary desert spot with great food and live music. Stargazing in Joshua Tree. End your evening with stargazing. Joshua Tree National Park is a designated dark sky park offering spectacular views of the night sky. Day 2, Outdoor Adventures and Desert Vibes. Morning. Breakfast at Joshua Tree Coffee Company. Start your day with a cup of coffee and breakfast at Joshua Tree Coffee Company. Fuel up for another day of exploration. Rock climbing in Joshua Tree. If you're into rock climbing, consider joining a guided climbing tour or explore the various climbing routes in the park. Lunch. Lunch at Crossroads Cafe. Enjoy a leisurely lunch at Crossroads Cafe, known for its fresh and healthy options. Cholla Cactus Garden. Visit the Cholla Cactus Garden, especially beautiful during the late afternoon when the sunlight bathes the landscape in a warm glow. Afternoon. Hiking in Ryan Mountain. Hike to the summit of Ryan Mountain for panoramic views of the park. It's a moderately strenuous trail with a rewarding vista. Joshua Tree Music Festival, if ongoing. If the Joshua Tree Music Festival is still ongoing, catch more live performances in the afternoon. Dinner. Dinner at Joshua Tree Saloon. Conclude your weekend with a casual dinner at Joshua Tree Saloon. Enjoy the laid-back atmosphere and perhaps catch some live music. Tips. Weather check. Joshua Tree can be hot during the day and chilly at night, so pack accordingly. Hiking gear. Wear comfortable shoes and bring plenty of water for hikes. Star Map app. If you're into stargazing, consider downloading a star map app to enhance your celestial experience. This Joshua Tree weekend getaway offers a perfect blend of outdoor adventures, artistic exploration, and the unique charm of the desert. Kindly share your desired destinations and the specific information you're seeking. We are committed to producing videos and vlogs that cater to your interests. Explore our websites, newbeginning.com and mynewbeginning.com, representing our digital enterprises that have afforded us financial freedom to pursue our travel aspirations. Our resources, specifically crafted for the growth of solo entrepreneurial ventures, can help you achieve similar success if you're aiming to develop your solopreneurship. Visit supats.com for a collection of travel vlogs and blogs centered around mindset and spirituality. Inform us of your preferences. and we'll make dedicated efforts to create the resources you're looking for. Thank you. And may you be blessed abundantly. Enjoy the tranquil beauty and starry nights.